Hello everyone, I am Sikandar Abu Rakib from Tut Plus 24. Please welcome to my TypeScript tutorial part 3. Today I am going to explain something about class in TypeScript. So I am going to start my project. Here I have app.ts file, index.html and style.css as before. Okay, and I'm going to start the project. TSC star dot ts dash w, and here I am using Visual Studio Code as a editor here, code editor. And in TypeScript we can use the class. So in normal JavaScript we could not use class, but we used function for creating object and prototypes. But in ECMAScript 2015 or ECMAScript 6, we started using class. So we are going to do something which I did in my ECMAScript tutorial. I have a video there about the class. If you like, you can get some idea from there also. Okay, let us start the class. Class person. I'm going to create a person class, and this class will have some properties. For example, fname and lname. As it is TypeScript and we are trying to use the full power of typed feature, so I'm going to mention the type of this property like string, and here also type string, and I need to have a constructor. Constructor is nothing but a special method which will be triggered automatically when any object will be created by instantiating this class. And in this argument I can write fname and again string and lname as string, and I can write this dot fname is equal to fname and likewise this dot lname is equal to lname. Okay, now we know that like JavaScript or C++, we know a class will have some normal methods or function, and in terms of class we call it as method. So I'm going to write a simple method like to show the name of a person. So display the method name name, and its return type I am also giving as string. As I am giving here string, so I need to have a return statement. Return this dot fname concatenation this dot lname. Now if I create some objects of this class, then I can write let uh, not uppercase person1 is equal to new person Sikandar, last name Rakib, and this is the uh, beauty of uh, TypeScript. Here you see when I just put the cursor here, it is giving the thing like this. That means fname type and lname type will be string, and it belongs to person class. Well, now let msg is equal to person1 dot fname and console log msg, and we are writing message 1, and here we need to display the method and display name and message 1. So we are instantiating our class and creating a variable person1, and we are putting this uh, property fname into this message variable and the uh, method return value into this message one, and we are trying to see it through the console log window. If I put it side by side like before, so, and if I open the console, and I am looking here like first name and full name. So this is my class, and this is the properties, and this is the class method. And here I am creating some object by this class and showing the property and method of this class through this object. Well, if I create another object, John Doe, and here person 2, and message variable 2, and here 3, person will be 2, 2, and here the message will be 2, and below it will be 3, and we can refresh. Yes, we are getting the first name John and the display name John Doe. So this is the process of creating object and uh, creating class. If I create a static method like static uh, with this modifier, access modifier static uh, great, and console log hello from static method. Okay, we'll have to call it person dot greet hello from static method. Uh, the difference between the static method and the other normal method in a class is that uh, we do not need to instantiate any object to get this method, to use this method. We can use it through directly using this class. That means person and its class dot method. In this way we can use it. But here we are using this display name method by creating any object first. That means by instantiating this class and creating some object, then using the this object method. So this is the difference between this static method and the normal method. Well, now I'm going to uh, create another class employee extends person. So that means I'm trying to inherit one class, that is this class, and this is the parent class, and sometimes it is called the child class. So I am trying to create a subclass or child class by extending the parent class. So here I will belong all the properties of the parent class, that means person class. In addition, I'd like to have two extra properties like age, number, and salary, type of number. And I need a constructor method. So constructor, and I need to give fname and lname and age and finally salary. And I need to use another method which is called super, and I need to declare this fname and lname. Fname l. Okay, and if I just write this way, it will be helpful for us to read. And the super method is helping us. It will come from the parent class by not declaring or by not assigning the fname and lname values. This will be the repetition, so we need not to repeat it. We can take help from the super method from the parent class. So as we are getting the initialization of these two values, so only things is remaining to initialize this age and salary values. So we need to do that. This dot age is equal to age, and this dot salary is equal to salary. Okay. Would like to have some method. So this is our employee class, and this is the properties and this constructor, and we will need some method. So if I like to have a method named employee info and give the return this dot fname plus concatenation uh, the salary of amount, uh, then is dot salary, and we need to create the object of this class. For example, let uh, Sheila equal to new employee, uh, we need to pass 4 parameters. Sharmin first name, Sheila, and age 20 and salary 15,000. And if I console out, Sheila dot uh, f name, I should be able to display the first name of Sheila object, and likewise if I last name and uh, not last name, uh, display name, and uh, here if I some property here is, and last one will be method employee info. Okay, so here we are getting the value Sharmin from first name, and display name Sharmin Sheila, it is coming from this method from parent class. That means Sheila object is using display name method from its parent class, and the age console log Sheila.age, it is coming from the age property of this class, and this age property, and it is this values is coming from Sheila gets the salary of amount 50,000, this method from this class. So we are using all the methods and all the properties from both classes. So this is the benefit of inheritance of object-oriented programming that we can see in high-level language like C, C++, or Java or Python, and even we see in the PHP also. Okay, now I can describe something about access modifier. By default, as we don't mention here in front of these properties, it is uh, considered as public, but we can use the public access modifier also. So if I use that, it will create no changes here. So if we don't mention the public, it will be by default considered as the public. Public access modifier means this property will be available outside within the class, outside the class. That means here we are using in some method it will be available, and outside the class we are using this method and it will be available, and it will be also available in another inherited class, child class here, and as we are using here, and so on. So public will be available everywhere. And another access modifier is private. If I write private, so it will be not available here outside the class. That's why it is giving TypeScript is giving us the message property f name is private and only accessible within class person. So within the class it is accessible, but outside the class it is not accessible. For example, if I uh, commented it out and uh, try to display this name, so I cannot display this also. But here in this method, display method, we are using within the this method is within the class. So and within this method we are using fname and lname, which is within this class. So we are getting the full name display. Okay, so this is the things of private. uh, okay, and uh, I'm making it public again, and I'm commenting these two lines. And another access modifier is protected. So if I like write like this, protected means this property will be available within this class, and the class will inherit this class. That means it will be available in uh, employee class. If I here like lname, so subclass. Oh, it is outside the class. Sorry, I'm using it outside the class. It is available here. Fname. Sorry, if I make change lname, it is possible because this lname is right now the access modifier is protected. So I am using it within the class. That's why I can do it. And as a employee info, I can see it. So I am Sheila Gates. So last name Sheila I'm getting here as a protected value. So this is the thing like private, public, and protected. And these are the access modifier we can use within our class. And the last thing of today's tutorial, I would like to show you how I can use the interface into the class. So if I like interface, uh, if I give the name as a person name and write the interface like this, and and here I can write class person implements interface person name. So here I am using the interface of person name, and I'll have to write here the keyword implements person name. Person. Okay, and I'm getting no error. So this is the way that we can use the interface into our class. Okay, so we discussed how to create a class in TypeScript and how to inherit the class and how to use the interface, and we can use the static method and access modifiers. I hope this tutorial will be informative for you. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question you can leave it into the comments, and thank you for watching this video tutorial.